Hey YouTube, it's Katelyn O'Friel, and in today's episode I am kicking off the gifted series. I am a big gift giver, but I don't like to spend a lot of money, so I thought why not share how I give big but spend little. Let's start it off with a very simple DIY gift for a friend. I just want to give a little overview of the items that I will be using in this basket. A lot of these items I got from the D2 store. Deals and discounts, as well as Dollar Tree. First, I have this really pretty basket from the Dollar Tree for just $1. It has a really nice little pattern, and I thought she can store some nice things in here. So it'll serve a purpose as the basket that will hold the gifts, but also she can use it later on in her bedroom or her bathroom or something like that for some storage. Then I have this really cute mug that says Believe. Then I have these really pretty pink socks. There's a white pair and a pink pair. And over here I have the BCBG Generation lace ankle stockings. I thought these were really pretty. She has a corporate job now, so I thought these would be really nice, kind of like peeking out from her dress pants with a nice pair of kitten heels. And if you can see, I kind of tried to stay in a little color theme. I have grays and pinks and light colors. This is a cute little scrunchie with a bow on it. It's pink as well. And then we have a gray candle from the Dollar Tree. Candles are always a great little filler for gifts. And some snacks from the Dollar Tree. We have chocolate kisses and strawberry cream Russell Stover. Can't go wrong with those. I feel like every woman loves chocolate. Here is just a white doily that I'll probably be putting at the bottom. Some Dollar Tree flowers, which Dollar Tree has been really stepping up their game with the floral department. I thought these were really pretty to just add for a decorative piece on the gift, but she can also use them in her room. I know she would really like flowers like this. And then I just have the plastic little baggies that some of the items will be going in. Some tissues here. We have white and silver and gray colored tissue paper and some white flower stickers from the Dollar Tree. And then over here we have Japanese cherry blossom bubble bath. We both really love taking bubble baths, and we always buy each other a bubble bath or like bath bombs or something like that. So that's kind of a recurring thing that we do for each other all the time. So now I'm going to start placing the items in the basket. First things first, I'm going to snip off this tag here. And I'm going to take off all the price tags and any little tag or something that I don't think looks nice. I'm going to take it out. So I went ahead and put the doily at the bottom. I like the little contrast between the white and the gray. So I'm hoping that works out and looks nice. And then I put the little ribbon scrunchie, little bow tie scrunchie or whatever it's called, on top of this. I thought it looked really cute, and I just taped down the tag so that it's not as noticeable. And obviously I'll let her know that these are scrunchies in case she doesn't realize when she opens it. But it looks really aesthetically pleasing and kind of just makes it look a little more frilly and fun. Now I'm going to open these chocolates here, and I'm going to put them in a little baggie. I have a clear plastic bag here, so I'm going to put that in there and then tie it with some ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and take these shower gels out of the packaging just because it's not going to fit that nicely. You see, like, that doesn't really look pretty. So I'm going to take them out and kind of place them individually. You can see here I started putting some things in the basket. I ended up putting some tissue paper underneath and then the white doily above that. And then I put the 2 sets of socks with the little bow here. And I'm going to put the mug on top like that. Okay, you can see here the 2 socks are, you can see here how it came out so far. I think it looks so adorable. I'm so excited. So you can see the little bag of chocolates here. I just mixed them up and put a cute little pink ribbon, and now I'm gonna snip the top off a little bit because it's a little bit too long. Wow, so I'm absolutely loving how this came out so far. I think it's so adorable and it looks really cute and like more expensive than it actually was, you know? Now I'm just gonna add some stickers here. You can see I have these stickers that are from Dollar Tree. I thought that they would look really cute just kind of sporadically on some of these items. I'll put one here. Then I guess I'll put one, I think here. And why not, you know what, I'll put one on top here too maybe. Okay. I think that looks cute. Now I'm going to add the flowers in. I actually switched out the flowers. I took this one off because I don't know, I think it was just a little bit overboard. So I took that one out and then I switched out, one of them kind of looked like a snowflake. You can see that they're actually a little bit different shapes. That flower is a little different from this flower. So I changed one of them out. And I added the flowers for the background. And I added these flowers in the back. And I added these flowers in the back. I kind of just folded the stems of the flowers to fit properly and I put them back there. I think she's gonna love this. I'm gonna see if I can wrap it in some plastic, but if not, I'm just gonna display it like this. So this is how it came out. I really love it. I think it looks so cute. I ended up taking the flower off of this one and switching out one of the flowers. You can see that the flowers are a little bit different. This flower is different than that flower. There was one, the one that was here kind of looked like a snowflake, so I took that one off. That wouldn't have been bad, I just didn't really like it. But I really love it. I think she's gonna like it so much. I ended up taking these flowers and just folding the stems and putting them in the back there. I know she'll definitely use those for somewhere in her room, and that will look really pretty. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned because the next episode is going to be a Blockbuster and Chill Basket. So does anybody remember Blockbuster? I used to love that place and I miss it so much. I thought, why not make a Blockbuster and Chill Basket? It's a great gift to give and it's nostalgic and it's fun. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and see you next time. If you are curious about the backdrop behind me, I actually have a video on that as well, so I will link it down below. And a question for you is, who is your favorite person to shop for, and what is your favorite thing to buy for someone? My favorite person to shop for is my friend Pam. I feel like we have similar tastes in everything, and she's the kind of person that really just appreciates anything, so I know that I'll never go wrong with anything I buy her because I know that she will love it and make use of it. My favorite thing to buy for someone is a mug. I know it's kind of silly. I personally really like mugs, and I think it's a practical gift, and it's a cute way to show some fun and personality because you can buy one that has their favorite color, a nice cute little quote, or maybe just something silly. So that's my favorite thing to buy for someone. What is your favorite thing to buy for someone, and who is your favorite person to buy for? Let me know in the comment section down below.